Hello children, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to learn 10th class mathematics, quadratic equations by factorization method. Come on, let us start the class. What is meant by quadratic equation? Definition of a quadratic equation. If a comma b comma c are real numbers where a is not equal to 0, then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is called quadratic equation where the highest power of variable must be 2. The degree of variable must be 2. It is called quadratic equation. Any equation of the form p of x is equal to 0 where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2 is a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called standard form of quadratic equation. If y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is called quadratic function. Roots or solution of quadratic equation. Here I am taking factorization method. We will solve by factorization method. So x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Here x square coefficient is 1, 7x is middle term, 10 is constant. So if you multiply constant and coefficient of x square, it should be 10 and the middle term is 7x. Now let us solve by factorization method, splitting of middle term. Now here I am taking what is a constant 10. So you have to write the factors of 10. What are the factors of 10? 5 2s are 10, minus 5 into minus 2 also 10, 1 into 10 also 10. So here factors of 10 is 5 comma 2. So if you add, it should be middle term. So 5 plus 2 is 7x. So it is coming 7x. So you have to take 5 comma 2 as a factors for this factorization. So a plus b is 7 factors. If you add, must be 7. If you multiply, it should be product of constant and coefficient of x square. So a into b is equal to 10. Now so I am taking here factors for 10 is 5 comma 2 and rewriting x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. Here x I am taking common, x plus 5 in plus 2. If you take common, x plus 5 is equal to 10. So there are x plus 5 is taking as common, x plus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0, x plus 5 is 0 and x plus 2 is equal to also 0. So x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. So this method is called splitting of middle term. So here we have done splitting of middle term by factorization method. So I will explain you with one more simple method. Say I am taking here same problem and solution. So addition of two factors must be middle term and multiplication of two factors should be product of x square coefficient and constant. So you must remember this. So here you have to write this like cross symbol, and here I am writing middle term coefficient is 7, and then downside I am writing product of factors 10, and here we have taken which is suitable factors are 5 comma 2 and write remaining both sides 5 comma 2 here like this. So if when the positive factors, that means x plus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So the roots are should be negative. If the factors are positive, roots will be in negative. This is the solution for this quadratic equation. Very simple. If you write the factors which are suitable for middle term, these are, you have to just convert if they are positive, just write negative, right? Now let us take one more example. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So by splitting of middle term, we will solve the quadratic equation to get the roots. So factors of 6 into x square coefficient is 1. So product is 6. So 6 factors, possible factors are 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma minus 3, 1 comma 6. So here if you add minus 2 plus minus 3, it will be minus 5. So I am taking here suitable factors minus 2 and minus 3 and rewriting. So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. If you take first two terms x common, x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 two times we have taken common, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to positive roots, x is equal to plus 3 and x is equal to plus 2. Here the factors are minus 2 and minus 3. So the answer, the roots automatically it should change positive, right? Now let us go for third one. 5x square minus 11x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here x square coefficient is 5. So concentrate. Here x square coefficient is 5 and constant is plus 6. So product of these two numbers is 30. 5 into 6, 30. So and middle term is minus 11. If you add, it should be middle term. If you multiply, it should be 30. So 5x square minus 11x plus 6 is equal to 0. Already I hope you understood the concept. So here I am taking minus 5 and minus 6 are the suitable factors for this quadratic equation. So I am rewriting like this. So 5x square minus 5x minus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. I have taken 5x as common. So writing like this, and x minus 1 into 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. If you rewrite, x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 1 and x is equal to 6 by 5. So roots are. Now let us one more example. 3x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Factors of 3 are minus 1 and minus 3, 1 comma 3. Here the suitable factors for this quadratic equation is minus 1 and minus 3, because if you add, it will be minus 4. If you multiply, it should be 3 into 1 is 3. So here I am taking minus 1 minus 3 are the factors. 3x square minus 1x minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here I am taking x is a common. 3x minus 1 I also common. 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 3 and x is equal to 1. Here roots are 1 by 3 comma 1. Students, I hope you have understood the concept. Here the time for evaluation worksheet. So here I am giving 4 quadratic equation solved by factorization method. X square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. X square plus 8x minus 40 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 9x square minus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. Find the roots of the above quadratic equation. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.